I use one of these power banks to charge my smartphone. But the question is, can I use it to power up my goggles? The answer is yes. You can do it, but you need to know how. If you think that this subject is interesting to you, before we begin, please subscribe. In a normal situation, this power bank will give you an output voltage of 5 volts, but almost all the goggles require at least 2S or 3S batteries. The specification for this battery shows that it has fast charge mode that supports output voltages of 9 and 12 volts. So, these output voltages are enough to power up all the goggles you have and all existing goggles up to this point. The question now is how to constrain the battery to give us 12 volts. The answer is a battery supported protocol PPS, which means Programmable Power Supply Protocol. Based on this protocol, a smartphone and a battery communicate, and the smartphone can set the voltage supplied by the battery in real time. Of course, there are other similar protocols with the same goal. So, in order to use a battery with the goggles, you need additional hardware equipment able to set a specific voltage of the battery. These systems are named USB power deliverable boards or USB PD trigger boards. For example, here you can choose between 9, 12, 15, 20 volts. And for this, you just short the corresponding pads. In this case, you can buy one module with a fixed voltage value that emulates a device that requires a higher voltage from the battery. I have this USB power delivery module that connects to a battery USB-C connector and allows on the XT60 female connector to have 5, 9, 12, 15 or 20 volts. Of course, these values are active only if the battery supports them. In my case, I must to press this button while plugging in the USB, but without plugging something on the XT60 connector. By pressing several times, I'm able to choose the desired output voltage. I'm choosing 12 volts. The USB power deliverer now communicates with the battery and sets the output voltage. Right now, all is set and I can connect the goggles. This is the output voltage. And as you see, based on this module, I am able to power up the goggle in the same mode, the DJI goggle.